Experience the warmth and efficiency of solid fuel heating. This 5 kilowatt stove will effortlessly heat your living space while you enjoy the ambient crackling and glow that comes from a natural log burning fire. The Arundel Deluxe Multifuel combines modern craftsmanship with high-quality materials that is synonymous with Portway solid fuel stoves. Engineered for long-lasting performance, this stove is manufactured with a 5mm robust steel body and premium cast-iron flue collar, door, and internal grate. Its large fuel combustion chamber is designed to optimize heat output and houses a large, easy-to-carry ashpan. Complemented with modern polished chrome door lever and adjustable aeration controls to provide both style and functionality. Our superior quality cast iron door not only enhances the stove's aesthetic appeal but also provides exceptional heat-retaining properties. This is due to their ability to absorb and store heat efficiently while minimizing heat loss. As a result, a cast iron door can help to keep your home warm and cozy for a longer period. With a multi-fuel stove, you have the option of burning a variety of fuel types, including wood, coal, charcoal, and other smokeless fuels, providing you with convenience and flexibility to suit your personal preference and local regulations. Solid fuel heating offers a warm, inviting atmosphere, providing a cozy and comfortable living space. It's also a sustainable and cost-effective way to heat your home, reducing your reliance on traditional energy sources.